Hello students, I will continue the 8th chapter in this class. Look at the picture on screen. You can see that 6 circle. In the first circle, one part is colored out of 3 parts. In the second circle, 5 parts colored out of 12 parts. In the third circle, one part colored out of 6 parts. In the fourth circle, 3 parts colored out of 4 parts. 3 parts colored out of 4 parts. In the fifth circle, 3 parts colored out of 5 parts. In the sixth picture, sixth circle, 3 parts colored out of 8 parts. When we joining these parts, what fraction do we get? Let us see what fraction do we get when joining these parts. 1 by 3 plus 5 by 12. Here, denominator is different. So, first we have to make denominator same. So, 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 4, 12. 1 into 4. 3 into 4, 12. 1 into 4. Here we have to multiply by the same number. So we got same fraction. 1 by 3 we can write 4 by 12. So 4 by 12 plus 5 by 12. 4 by 12 plus 5 by 12. What is the answer? 9 by 12. 4 by 12 plus 5 by 12 is 9 by 12. Here we have to, first we have to make the denominator same. Look at the next one. 1 by 6 plus 3 by 4. Here also you can see different denominator. So first we have to make denominator same. So which is the common multiples of 6 and 4? 12 is the common multiples of 6 and 4. So 6 into 2, 12. So we have to multiply by same number. 1 into 2. So we got here fraction 2 by 12. And here 3 by 4. How can we write that? 4 into 3, 12. So again we have to multiply by same number. 3 into 3. So 9 by 12. So we got here denominator same. 2 by 12 plus 9 by 12. 11 by 12. We got here 11 by 12. So 1 by 6 plus 3 by 4 is 11 by 12. Is it clear? Look at the next one. 3 by 5 plus 3 by 8. Which is the common multiple of 5 and 8? 40. 40 is the common multiple of 5 and 8. So 5 into 8, 40. So here also we have to multiply by same number. So we got here fraction 24 by 40. Next here 8 into 5, 40. 3 into 5. We have to multiply by same number. So 15 by 40. So we got here same denominator 24 by 40 plus 15 by 40 is equal to 39 by 40. 3 by 5 plus 3 by 8 is 39 by 40. Like this we can find out the answer. Is it clear? Let us see a question. A jar contains 3/4 of liter milk. Half a liter milk is poured into it. How much milk does it contain now? It is the question. A jar contains 3/4 of liter means 3/4 liter milk. Half a liter milk poured into it. How much milk does it contain now? 3/4 you can write like this. Half 1/2. So when we add half liter water, how much milk does it contain now? We have to find out that 3/4 plus 1/2. Here you can see different denominator. So we have to make the denominator same. 2 into 2, 4. So again here also we have to multiply by same number. 3/4 we can write like this. 1/2 we can write 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 2, 2. So 3/4 plus 2/4 is equal to 5/4. 5/4 means we have to divide here. 5 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. So we got here answer 5/4 means 1/4. This quotient we should write here. Remainder we should write as numerator 4. This 4 we should write as denominator. So we got here answer 1/4. 3/4 plus 1/2 is 1/4. So it contains 1/4 liter of milk. 1/4 liter milk. Is it clear? There is another way of finding this answer. 3/4 plus 1/2. We already know that 1/2 means 2 times 1/4. So we can write this 3/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. 1/2 we can write like this. 2/4 makes half. So this half we can write like this. 3/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 3/4 plus quarter. 3/4 plus 1/4 is 1 plus this 1/4 is equal to 1/4. Like this also we can find out the answer. Let us find out the answer of this question. 1/2 plus 2 1/4. 1/2 plus 2 1/4. How can we find out the answer? Here first we have to write these numbers. 1 plus 2 plus half plus 1/4. So here 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1/2 plus 1/4. So 1/2 we have to make the denominator same. So 1/2 we can write as 2/4. So 2/4 plus 1/4 is 3 plus 3/4. 2/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4. So 3 plus 3/4. What is the answer? 1/2 plus 2/4 is equal to 3/4. Like this we can find out the answer. There is another way. 1/2 plus 2/4. Here 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3/2. This we can write 3/2. Next 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9/4. So here you can see different denominator. So first we have to make the denominator same. 3/2. 2 into 2 is 4. 6 by 4. So 6 by 4 plus 9 by 4 is 15 by 4. Here you can see same denominator. Same denominator now. So 6 by 4 plus 9 by 4 is equal to 15 by 4. What is the answer? 15 by 4. 4 into 3, 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. So we got here same answer 3 by 4. Here this quotient we should write here. Remainder we should write as numerator, and 4 we have to write here as denominator. Is it clear? Like this also we can find out the answer. Let us add this. 3 1 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4. 3 and half plus 2 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4. So here 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2. 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 2. Next 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 3 11. So 11 by 4. We got here fraction like this. So denominator different. So first we have to make the denominator same. So 7 by 2 we can write 2 into 2 4. Again we have to multiply by the same number. 7 into 2 14. So we got here fraction 14 by 4 plus 11 by 4. 14 by 4 plus 11 by 4 is equal to 25 by 4. 25 by 4. 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. So we got answer 6 1 by 4. 6 quotient we should write here. Remainder we should write here. 4 we should write here. We got here answer 6 1 by 4. Otherwise we can write like this. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 plus half plus 3 by 4. Next step 3 into 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 by 2 we can write 2 by 4. So we got here same fraction, same denominator plus 3 by 4. So 5 plus 5 by 4. 5 by 4 means we already know that 4. 5 minus 1, 4, 1. So we got here fraction 5 plus 1, 1 by 4. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 1 by 4. We got here same answer. Like this we can add the fraction. How can we subtract fractions? Let us see. 3 by 4 minus half. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. What is the answer? So here first we have to make the denominator same. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we can write 2 by 4. So 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. 1 by 2 we can write 2 by 4. Now we got here same denominator. So 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 3 minus 2, 1. This 4 we should write here. 1 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So here we can find out answer. Here you can see same denominator. So we can minus here 3 minus 1 2. This 4 we should write here. 3 minus 1 2. So 2 by 4. We got here 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is half. Is it clear? How can we find out the answer of this? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. denominator same. So which is the common multiples of 2 and 3? Common multiples of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3, 6. So we have to multiply by the same number, 1 into 3. So we got here fraction 3 by 6. 1 into 3, 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 3 is 6. 1 by 2. Next to 1 by 3. 3 into 2, 6. 1 into 2, 2. So 2 by 6. We got here same denominator. So 1 by 2 we can write 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. We got here answer 1 by 6. 1 minus 5 by 8. What is the answer? 1 minus 5 by 8. 1 means we can write that. We can write this 8 by 8. 8 by 8 minus 5 by 8 is 3 by 8. 8 by 8 minus 5 by 8 is 3 by 8. So 1 minus 5 by 8 is 3 by 8. Is it clear? 2 and half minus 1 quarter. 2 1 by 2 minus 1 1 by 4. How can we find out the answer? 2 minus 1. This we can write 2 minus 1. We have to write here. Next plus half minus 1 by 4. 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Next half minus 1 by 4. So 2 minus 1 is 1 plus half minus 1 by 4. Half minus quarter. So 1 by 2 we can write as 2 by 4. 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4. We got here same denominator. 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 1. 1 is 4 we should write here. So we got here answer 1 by 4. 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Is it clear? Let us see another method of finding the same answer. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2 minus 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 4. So here you can see different denominators. So first we have to make the denominator same. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 2 into 2, 4. Next 5 into 2. Here we have to multiply by same number. 2 into 2 is 4. So again we have to multiply by same number. 5 into 2 is 10. So 5 by 2 we can write 10 by 4 minus 5 by 4. 10 by 4 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 we should write here. So 5 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So we got here same answer. 1 by 4. This one quotient we should write here. Remainder we should write here. 4 we should write here. So 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Like this also we can find out the answer. Let us see another question. 2 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. How can we find out the answer? 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So this 4 we should write here. 1 2 into 1 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So we got here fraction 9 by 4 minus 3 by 2. You can see here different denominators. So first we have to make the denominator same. So 9 by 4 minus 3 by 2 we can write 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Again we have to multiply by the same number. 3 into 2, 6. 6 by 4. 9. We got here denominator. 9 by 4 minus 6 by 4 is 3 by 4. So we got here answer 2 1 by 4 minus 1 1 by 2 is 3 by 4. Like this we can find out the answer. Okay students, notes and homework will send you in WhatsApp. Next chapter we will discuss in next class.